Oh, well, hello. It's me, MrSasaki, and today is Song of the Wind on viola instructional video. Okay? So, instruction, walkthrough, step-by-step, tutorial. What an old word, I know. But, like, whatever it is, I'm going to teach you how to play this from the beginning. And if you need to, go back and, like, replay, because this is complicated. We've come a long way from Twinkle Twinkle. This is song number 4 in Suzuki Book 1. Okay? And it does have some challenges. So, let's get to it. There's 3 parts to this song, all right? And if you can get all 3 individually good and then play them one after the other, you got the song, okay? So part number 1 is the easiest, okay? It's what I call the scale. D, 1, 2, 3, A, okay? So I'm going to show you on the viola here, okay? So D, 1, 2, 3, A. Got it? Just walking at the D string, open A's. Easy, okay? Part number 2, not as easy, okay? We have 1, 3, 3, 1, A. 1, 3, 3, 1, A. Oh, sorry. The second one should be quiet. So it's 1, 3, 3, 1, A. Second time, shh. 1, 3, 3, 1, A. Okay, so it's quiet. It's an echo the second time. All right, how do we do that on the viola? Okay, so we have first finger here on the A string. Then we hop to D3, hop to A3, first finger, then open. Okay, so it's going to be 1, hop 3, 1, A. Okay, so we're going to remember that 1 is going to be our pivot, so we're going to use that to hop between the 3s, okay? So it's going to stay down, you see? So that's going to help us because we're going to come back and we need it anyway here. 1, 3, 3, 1, again, okay? We need it, then A. All right, so how's about we practice that? You can do guitar style if you want to kind of look down. I encourage that. Or if you're confident enough to do it up here, let's do it, okay? Thumbs, pointer fingers. So let's play the scale, okay? And then the 1, hop 3, hop 3s, okay? Here we go. 1 and 2 and D, 1, 2, 3, A, 1, hop 3, 1, A. Now quiet. 1, 3, 3, 1, A. I know, it's kind of fun, huh? So that's that. If you need to go back, replay, practice it over and over and over, okay? Because you gotta get it. It's these like tricky techniques going on. All right, are you ready? Part 3 is actually the entire second half of the song, okay? It's consisted of what I call 2 giant staircases, a trampoline, or a Super Mario jump, okay? And then a dismount at the end, right? So I'll sing it for you. All right, it's gonna be A, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, D, 2, A, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, D. That's our dismount at the end. And did you hear the D, 2, A? It's like a trampoline, or a Super Mario jump, and then you end up on the cloud again, and you go down this giant staircase again, okay? Okay. Now, this is a tricky part. It sounds kind of easy. Maybe it doesn't to you. I don't know. But all my students are like, how many 3s? How many 2s? How many 1s? And then they do A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, D, 2, A. And could you imagine what kind of music making that'll make, right? Like, it's like counting in your brain. And I like to think more melodically because ultimately we want to make it sound like music in the end. So let's just think musically, right? Melodically. So I like to do la 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 la, okay? And then just like kind of feel the beat and the groove of it. Okay, so let's do la la la. Here we go. Ready? And la 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, so it's kind of just like easy going, and it has a nice little falling and descent, the staircase, right? So now, if we can get that pretty clear in your head, that melody, then let's add the finger numbers singing, and it'll be like our lyrics. Okay, here we go. A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D 2 A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D. Okay? Well, let's try plucking that. Okay? So again, you can do guitar style if you want, or up on your shoulder. Here we go. Okay? So 1 and 2 and A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D 2 A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D. Ooh, okay. So again, replay, go back, practice that. If you got it, you got it. That's great. Okay? And if we can put those three parts together, we got it. So let's do from the beginning, pizzicato practice, from the scale 1 hop 3 hop 3 1 A, 1 hop 3 hop 3 1 A, then giant staircases, okay, and then repeat. So that's a lot to put together. Here we go. Let's try it. Okay. 1 and 2 and D 1 2 3 A 1 3 3 1 A echo 1 3 3 1 A. Here we go. Staircases A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D 2 A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D. Repeat. D 1 2 3 A 1 3 3 1 A. Quiet. 1 3 3 1 A. Staircases. A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D 2 A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D. Whew. All right, so that's our pizzicato practice. Again, go back, practice that again and again. Okay. When you got it, we can add the bow. Okay, there's a reason why I like to do pizzicato practice, especially for this song, before we do the bow, because of bow circles. This is our first song in Suzuki that has bow circles, bow retakes, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so what is that? It's, in this case, we're going to be on our A string. Okay, we're going to go down bow. We're going to lift our bow out and away, and then land in the middle again. So it's a circle. Okay. I know it doesn't look like a circle until I turn this way, and you can see. Down, out, and around. Down, out, and around. Okay? So if you think about this as if you're at the pool or something, right, and you see like a bug or something coming towards you, you're like, you want to like swoosh the water away so that it pushes the bug away, or garbage or whatever it is that you want to not come to you. So you're kind of swooshing this way, right? That's it, like swoosh the water out. That's going to be similar to this. We're going to be swish, swish. Okay, so we're going to be like swish away, okay? And that's what it is. All right, so now where do these happen? Okay, so after our 1 3 3 1 A circle, then again another one 1 3 3 1 A circle. Okay, then we also have it at the end of the trampoline or the Super Mario jump, and then at the end of the song before we repeat, or when we end the song. I like to lift anyway and do the circle. So I'll just show you that. So we have 1 3 3 1 A circle, 1 3 3 1 A circle. Giant staircases. A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D 2 A circle. A 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 D circle. Okay, so a total of 4 for each time we play through the song. If we do the repeat, that's 8. That's a lot, right? So a lot of swishing, a lot of activity, a lot to think about with string crossings, the hopping. That's why the song is tricky, right? So let's do it. Let's try it slowly with our bow, with the repeat, with the bow circles, all put together. Whew. And once you can do this, then you can join me on the tutorial in the other video, okay, for Song of the Wind that I'm posting. Here we go. Let's do a slow tempo, kind of the slow end of the performance speed. Okay, so it's going to be bum, 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 1 and 2 and. 3, hop 3, 1, A. Circle. 1, hop 3, 1, A. Circle. D, 2, A. Circle. D, circle. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, A, 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 A. 1, 3, 3, 1, A. Circle. Echo. 1, 3, 3, 1, A. Circle. A, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, D, 2, A. Circle. A, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, D. Circle. Do you see how nice that is to end with the circle at the end of the end? Because it kind of lets the open string ring. Ah, I love it. Okay? All right. So that's that. Again, go back, replay, and try to figure out, what little parts are giving you trouble. And I think it should be possible. It's like every Suzuki student has to learn this song, but like when you take it apart, you realize that there's a lot of things that go to it, but do those parts and put it together, you'll be good. All right? Watch the tutorial, this tutorial, and then also the playthrough if you want to get better and better at your speed. All right. See you next time.